is if anyone is here, will you tell me if the audio is better? Okay, I'm back on. Let's just pop in here and take a listen. Okay, I think that's better. Oh, guys, does Restream suck? Because it's not coming through on Twitter very well. Much better, much better, much better. That's good. Is it working for anyone on Twitter? Emmett, is it working for you on Twitter? Videos are done. We still have a little bit more to do. I gotta like write an email, and Twitter's spotty, YouTube is better, sound is much better. That's good. Man, what's the deal with Restream? I thought it was supposed to be like good. See, look at that. Unable to connect. What's the deal there? Can somebody, if anybody has experience or understands what Restream is doing here, because it seems like it's working on Twitter, but is it too much? Twitter buffers quite a lot. Yeah, that's the problem. Don't leak API keys. Yeah, you're telling me. Yeah, if you're on Twitter and it sucks, I guess go to YouTube. I'm sorry. I don't know why Twitter would. Yeah, it does seem. Okay. I mean, that seems okay. All right. Well, we got stuff we got to do. All right, let's try this again. Oh, guys, I was up until 3. Ugh. I was up until 3 in the morning. Not great. How do you work out to have this much energy? You know? I don't really know. Okay, so Steve is saying that he went through the purchase flow but did not get an email. So that's interesting. So right now we're in maintenance mode. We're on Laravel Forge. I just really don't want to accidentally leak any keys. I really don't want to do that, especially on launch day. So there's all these flows that we got to test. I can show you. How can I show you? Oh, this is .test. Let me show you the. Oh, guys, don't let me leak anything. So this is just local. There we go. Yes, please don't steal my API keys. Oh no, I didn't write any tests for this. I just went for it. Okay, so this is what it looks like, which feels good. Here are all the videos, which is a lot, and the videos that are yet to come. This needs to be updated. Voice is good now on LinkedIn, so that's good. Oh, there's pricing. We'll send out a I think it's a $20 coupon on the mailing list, but I'll also, I'll put it here. Oh, thanks, Simon. Good guy, Simon. Okay, So what do I need to do? One thing I definitely need to do. We'll just trust that Restream works. If Restream doesn't work, 51,000 needs to be less than 4,000. I just don't see. I don't know what this means. Is this why I'm having trouble on Twitter? Because you keep seeing it says like unable to connect. Yeah, so that's too high. Where do I change that? If X is no good, I don't want to freaking stop the stream again. But it keeps saying unable to connect. Oh well. Oh, here's Steve. Let's see what Steve has to say. Hello, Steve. Don't embarrass me. I'm streaming.
Okay, so...
And you're on speakerphone, so don't embarrass yourself either.
Hey, everyone. Okay, so I logged in with my personal email.
Okay.
Used the discount, 100% discount.
Okay.
I get back to it. I get back to the site.
Uh-huh.
I just sent you a screenshot of what I got. It says this order is already associated with a user, which I don't know how that could be because I haven't used that email. I did click the lemon squeezy button twice to return back to.
That'll do it. Yeah.
Okay, because it was kind of slow, so I clicked it twice. So that did that. Now, what's kind of funky to me is I'm on the website and it says I'm signed in as stenudo@gmail.com. Is that expected?
Yeah, if it creates an account for you, it's gonna log you in as that user. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then now if I sign out, I didn't get an email to my personal account.
You didn't get a password email?
Nope. Unless it's in spam.
Well, I hope it's not in spam. That would not be good.
It's not in spam.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
no password reset or anything. Set password email.
No password email. Okay, that's bad
news. I didn't
news.
get one on my TryHard Studios email either.
That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Let's see. Okay, no failed jobs. Aha! Maybe the queue is not running because here are some jobs that I bet these jobs are. I bet these jobs are your email. Mail, auto-generated account. Boom. Mail, auto-generated account. So good news, bad news. The jobs got put in there, but they didn't get sent. So let me just blur so I don't accidentally show anything I'm not supposed to show here. The queue is set to, aha, I set the queue connection. I set the wrong queue connection. Okay, hold tight. Good thing Laravel Forge makes this so easy. Okay. Database queue. Okay. Somebody asked, what am I using for transactional emails? I'm using Bento for transactional emails. No, not using Horizon for this. Okay, so still no. Let's, I don't think I need to blur this. Okay, so the workers are running. I am nervous.
I've not gotten an email yet.
Yeah, I see that the jobs are still in. The jobs are still in the queue. Somebody from California is calling me. If that's one of you all, stop calling me. Okay, so let's go check on the server itself. So the problem for everyone listening is that the queues aren't running. Database queue. Yeah, let's try queue restart. I don't think there's anything here that is gonna bother anyone. Nah, this isn't why we write tests. We don't write tests to make sure that our queues are running. PHP artisan queue restart. Nope. Okay. Broadcasting queue restart. Queue work database. Queue default. Queues are running. Well, queue workers are running. So then. Why would that not work, guys? Why would the queues? That's exactly right. Queues can be set to not process during maintenance mode. That's why. Thank you, Steven. Bless you, Steven. Okay, let's see. How can I think I can work. I'm just going to run it manually. Laravel queue worker maintenance mode. There's a way to run it. Queues even when maintenance. Yeah, let's just run this to get your jobs through. Cool. All right, so you should have gotten 2 emails now.
Yeah, one, probably one to try. I just got the one to my personal.
Mm-hmm.
That email still says Laravel up top.
Okay. Can you send me a screenshot of that?
Yeah.
Yes, coder nerd, but the tests would not have caught this. That's the problem. That's what I'm saying. I love tests. I'm not anti-test. But tests would not have caught that I was trying to run queue workers in maintenance mode. No, it's not a silly question. No horizon for this. Don't need it right now. We're gonna have like 2 jobs a day. Okay, so that. Thank you for purchasing.
I can't. Do I need to hit slash? I clicked the link to / reset password. Didn't work because we're in maintenance mode.
Yeah.
Do I do /th?
Oh yeah, but don't say that out loud on the stream.
Oh shoot. That didn't work either. So we're good.
Okay, if y'all are telling me the stream on Twitter is bad, can I adjust the bit rate or something like that? Stream output streaming bit rate. Didn't Twitter say it wants like 4,000 and I'm at like 40,000? That doesn't seem right.
It's not even working for me, so.
It's not on Twitter?
No. Where else would it? Oh, YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube. YouTube and Twitch, surprisingly.
Oh, cool. Cool. No, I got it.
Yeah, I don't see that it's working on Twitter either. So it's down to 4. Unable to connect still on Twitter. Less than 4,000. That seems crazy. To be fair, I don't know what a bit rate is, so that could be part of it.
40,000's a lot.
40,000's a lot?
4K, 40,000's a ton.
Okay, so maybe I don't do 40,000.
No, 4,000 would be adequate.
Okay, so I'm going to do 5,000 instead of 40.
Yeah.
We'll see how that goes. You're telling me 40,000 is 10 times too much?
40,000's what I encode like our high quality MP4s to go into YouTube with.
Okay, that's good to know. Yeah.
Okay, so reset password isn't working. Do you want to text me what I need to do to get it to work? Like the URL?
No, I just feel like we should maybe just test that live.
Okay.
Because here's the thing: if somebody is anonymous, they're not logged in, and they buy it, they're just going to be logged in, and we can figure out the reset password thing later.
Okay.
Is that good enough for now?
I think so. I logged out, so now I can't log back in, but yeah.
Well, you can just go to forgot password.
Oh, I see. But I feel like I'm going to get another link that's not going to work.
That's actually a different flow, so you could try that and it might work. Okay, so is Twitter working now? It seems like it stopped disconnecting. So are y'all seeing it? Hopefully. All right, the cues are, I gotta put OBS back up there so I know what is going on. Yeah, check Twitter for me, Steve.
Yeah, Twitter looks good.
Twitter looks good? Hey, turns out sending 12 times the maximum amount of data that you should is not a good idea. Who could have known? Not me. Okay, so what have we discovered? We've discovered that the queues are down because we're in maintenance mode, which is fine. Password reset emails might or might not work, which is fine.
Password reset email, I just got that as well.
Okay.
But I still cannot reset the password
because of maintenance mode.
Yeah.
If you go to that secret URL, which don't say it out loud, if you go to that secret URL, it should set a cookie for you.
Okay.
Twitch is not working. Man, that's too bad for Twitch. It's a good looking site. It's a good looking site.
Oh, okay. Yeah, now it's working.
You know what I need to do? I need to write some launch emails. No, I need to write one launch email. I'm going to blur so I don't accidentally dox a bunch of... That's not what dox means. Leak a bunch of people's emails. Once I get in a good spot, I'll unblur. So I'm going to sign into Bento. Prove that I'm human. Come over here. Come over to emails. SQLite DHH. I'm going to clone that email. Okay. Let's make sure. All right, so I cloned the SQLite email. Steve, you can hang up whenever. I'm just going to keep streaming.
Yep, sounds good. I just tested the whole flow, and I think it's working just great. So.
Okay, great.
All right. Talk to you later.
All right. Let me know if you have anything else.
All right.
Yep, bye. Pixel blurring. Somebody, it's Rox. Ben, you know Rox. Rox Codes. He's got a video from like 4 years ago that shows you how to do that. It's actually just it's like a scaled down and then like bicubic interpolated scaled up version of my monitor, and it's just like another overlay. It's kind of cool, right? Okay, launch day. Here's the question. Let's say we've got 7,000 people on the list, which we do. And to be safe, we want to send this email over the next 6 hours, we'll say. Because what I really don't want to do is end up in spam on launch day. Thank you, Rox. Thanks for all you do, Rox. There was a tool to deblur this. Good luck. Okay, so we need to send, we'll say 1,200 emails an hour. So can we do hours? So we'll send, your recommended maximum speed to send the entire list is 300 every 60 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna listen to that. Do I want to listen to that? I do have a cap. I was up until 3 in the morning, and so I did not shower. So this is real life right here. Let's see. All right, load saved segment. See, this number should be way bigger. High performance SQLite. There we go. 5,000 people. That's great. All right, so we got 5,000. I do have lunch here. Thanks, Arvid. Hey, Adam, I am. Yeah, Dax, apparently it sucks on Twitch. I don't know, man. Restream says I'm good. See, it works it's a skill issue. That's what we would say. It's a skill issue for Dax. Okay, so I was just calculating. If we have 5,100 people on the list, 5,100, and I want to send it over 6 hours. Let's make it safe. Let's send it over 7 hours, which I should have started this way earlier, but hey, 3 a.m. Yeah, 3 a.m. and then get the kids up this morning, so pretty sleepy. So we're going to send 730 emails an hour. So we'll send 730 emails every 1 hour. That seems good, right? Fix the thing. Nailed it. What? Are there a lot of people? Are there a lot of Twitch people here? What is happening? I don't know. I haven't been on Twitch in forever. 730 people every 1 hour. Why does that make me nervous? Let's do 12 people every minute. I'm sure that every 1 minute. Yeah, that seems fine. 250 people on Twitch. Hey, Twitch. Welcome. I'm just trying to make sure I don't screw everything up, especially live. I screw up a lot of stuff. I don't screw up a lot of stuff live because I don't go live that often. Launch day, set to send. I want to set it. You can leave this blank. You can leave it as is if you plan to send whenever. That's fine. Guys, even being in the email area makes me so nervous because we got 5,000 people. I don't want to dork up the domain. Okay. Let's change this to, oh, guys, what are we going to say? SQL, let's see. High performance SQLite is live. I interviewed DHH about SQLite. While that is true, that's not what I want the preview to be. What should the preview be? Who has his number? I hope nobody has my number. Please don't call me. Yeah, sorry about Twitch. I don't know what to tell you. You can go watch on LinkedIn. I am live on LinkedIn. Said no one ever. Preview snippet. The SQLite course is live. I mean, that's the exact same thing. That's good though. I like that. Aaron from High Performance SQLite. Yes, hello at highperformancesqlite.com. Yeah, the Twitch and LinkedIn are basically the same crowd. Promotions tab, we'll see. We'll see about that. Edit email content. All right. Hey y'all, this is Aaron from High Performance. If you don't remember subscribing, God, that's great. Good job, old Aaron. Way to put that there. If you don't remember subscribing, you can unsubscribe below. You know what? I'm going to change that because some people filter on the word unsubscribe, and I don't want them to filter my email out. You can opt out. I bet nobody filters on that. You can opt out below. I don't have a whole series of interviews. That's not what we're here for. Talk soon. That's good. We can leave that. I want PS, PPS. And then there's the opt-out. Oh, I need to go get the coupon. I'm streaming with OBS. Why would anyone watch on Twitch? Ian. Classic Ian. I need to go get the coupon. So y'all are going to see this coupon. I'm going to blur so you don't see all of the coupons. Using Lemon Squeezy as the back end. Or as rather, not the back end. I'm just using Laravel as the back end because I love developing on the back end. Okay, launch day. That's the code. The code is launch day. That's easy. All right, the code for $20 off that we're sending is launch day. Hey, y'all, this is Aaron from highperformancesqlite.com. If you don't remember subscribing, you can opt out below. On Twitch isn't working. Yeah, I know Twitch isn't working. How does blurring work? The Rocks Codes has a video on that. All right. All right, let's write an email. Let's say, should we get straight to the point? Should we faff around a little bit? I won't bury the lead. The SQLite course is now live. Oh, do. The SQL. It's cool seeing people comment on LinkedIn. Let's see. How many videos is it? That's a great question. It's I think it's like 65 videos right now. There's a bunch more coming, so those are done. 82, but how many are released? $65. It's 65 videos long and covers. There are 65 videos in the course, and there's 65 videos across. This is good. 6 modules, and we've got about 20 more videos. Let's say 25. That's probably more accurate anyway. Okay. There are 65 videos across 6 modules, and we've got about 25 more videos to come. We're launching in early access today, so the price is a little bit lower. Just, you know, give them a little incentive to go sign up right now. So the price is once. Yeah, that's probably fine. Yeah, the hey name is not fooling anybody, and I don't think, like, what does it get you? I don't, if I get an email that says hey Aaron, I'm like, yeah, I also know how to use mail merge, I think. Sometimes I mess that up too. I'll get back to that in a second. Unsubscribe, click here to opt out. Yes, yes, yes. So this is a code. This is a code launch day, which you all see, which discounted during this time. Yeah. That's a great, man. Who knew that streaming writing emails would be so helpful? So the price, hey, beautiful. The price is, that feels like a recipe for getting in trouble. So the price is currently discounted. Also, since you're on the mailing list, ChatGPT, what about ChatGPT? How can we buy now? It's not ready yet. We'll see. I'm about to send this email. Also, since you're on the mailing list, here's a coupon code for an additional, should I say $20 off, or should I say discount and make them go see what the discount is? That feels good. For an additional discount. Thank you for all your support along the way. Didn't close that tag. You doing AB email? Nah, man, we're just doing A. We're just doing A emails. Just write the best email, and you don't even need to test against anything else. I'm just kidding. I don't have time to do AB emails. Oh, coupon code. Here's a coupon code for an additional discount. Bam, 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 bam. Get that out of here. Boom. Who needs B when you just freaking nail A? That's the answer. Last person on world who would write emails without GPT. You know, GPT is just, it's so average. It's just so average. Okay, so this is going to get auto-linked by Gmail et al., but I still want to put a link in there. Let's add a little personality here. I won't bury the lead. The SQLite course is now live. I mean, it should be short and sweet, right? Short and sweet. There are 65 videos across the 6 modules. I should put a period after that. Classic. I won't bury the lead sounds like it's about a bad thing. That's great, Dave. That's great. So if that sounds like it's about a bad thing, boom. The opposite means it's about a good thing. I will bury the lead. Oh, okay. Well, they didn't leak my information if they buried my lead. Steve says a video progress indicator isn't working on prod. Well, we'll have to fix that. Oh, I'm 100% accidentally going to leak something before this is over. Okay. Since you're an early bird, yeah. Since you're, man, this is awesome. I need to make sure that I change this back to something reasonable. Also, since you're an early bird, since you're, how about this? Since you're an early supporter I feel like I just put commas wherever it feels right, and I don't think this is right. What's high performance SQLite? Oh boy, are you in the right place? Okay, also, since you're an early supporter, thank you for all your support along. I feel like that should go back up in. That feels better. That feels better. This is Crowd GPT. I like that. Okay, this needs to change. Okay, so I'm not going to bury the lead. I won't bury the lead. Sounds like I've got bad news for you. I mean, I just want to say the course is live. What else do I even say? I feel like, agree with Sebastian. No need to what? Oh, lead's a made-up word, but it's a good word. Oh, the opening sentence of a paragraph. That's perfect. Okay, we're getting distracted. The SQLite course is now live. The course is now live. Didn't mean to hit save. I'm just going to say what I feel. I've got great news. The course is now live. There are 65 videos across 6 modules. We've got 25 more videos to come. Since you're an early supporter, here's a coupon code for an additional discount launch day. Thank you for all your support along the way. That feels good. From highperformancesqlite.com. Yep. Oh, I can also say, I mean, there are a bunch of free videos, but I don't really want to tell them, hey, you don't actually have to buy. So there are free videos. You can just go watch them. Sure, I can do that. Feels good. Okay, and we'll send them to the home page. Hi. I need to go through the purchase flow one full time before I send this email. Guys, I'm so nervous. I assume Steve is user number 7. So Steve is currently testing. I'm going to call Steve, so get ready. Coffee cup, phone holder. There you go.
Hello?
Hello, Steve. I'm looking at your estenuto at Gmail. Oops, sorry. Everybody send Steve an email. I'm looking at your personal email, whatever that might be. And I see you don't have any video. You've got video progress. Oh, I bet I know what it is. Yep. I'm just going to cowboy code and change this data type.
Nice.
Guys, don't do this at home. All right, try again.
Okay. I did just push a slight change, so hopefully...
Is it a good change or bad change?
Oh, a good one, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
All right, there we go.
Yeah, we're working.
Now we're working. Video number 1 is 0.1% through. Well, yeah, you get the idea. Okay, good.
Cool. Yeah, good.
All right, what else is going on over there? Tell the people what you're working on.
Oh man, I was having this weird bug where the Terso SVG part of it wasn't loading on mobile. Ever had
Part
that?
part of the
Yeah.
Terso SVG wasn't loading on
So I
mobile.
converted it to a good old PNG file, and we're good to go.
Ah, way to go.
Yeah.
This is the kind of stuff you only figure out on launch day is that part of the Terso SVG is not loading on mobile.
Exactly.
Okay.
Other than that, pretty good.
So, have you run through purchase flows? You feel pretty good about those?
Uh, yeah, run through it a couple times. We'll need to do it one more time. Need to find another email address.
You can use the plus sign Gmail trick. So you could do whatever your personal email is, which I won't say out loud, +1, +2, +3.
Yeah, I'll run through it. Do we need the test team stuff?
That extremely secret 100% off coupon will work on a team plan. So why don't you run through the flow once and try to buy a team plan and see if you well, I'll have to run the queue worker again. Actually, let me just start the queue worker again.
Why is the queue worker off?
The queue worker's off because we're in maintenance mode.
Right.
So, all right, the queue worker is processing. All right, so go ahead and try to sign up for a team account, go through the whole purchase flow, and make sure that the email with the team discount gets sent to you.
Okay. Will do.
Before you do that, can I read this email out to you and see how you like it?
Yep.
If you don't like it, it's Arvid Call's fault, and if you do like it, then I wrote it. Does that sound fair?
Sounds fair.
Okay, it says, here we go. I'm going to put on my my most positive voice because this is how people are going to interpret it. Hey, y'all. That's pretty good. Hey, y'all. This is Aaron from highperformancesqlite.com. Parentheses, if you don't remember subscribing, you can opt out below. I've got great news. The course is now live. I figure I can just say the course because I've already said highperformancesqlite.com.
Yeah,
Why not? The course is now live. There are 65 videos across 6 modules, and we've got about 25 more videos to come. We're launching in early access today, so the price is currently discounted.
Is 25 more videos, is that accurate?
I think so.
I mean, we're only showing probably 18. I'd have to count exactly, but
Yeah, but here's the real thing. I kind of ran out of steam when I was making the outline, and so the last module the last modules are a little sparse.
Hey, you're calling it 25 videos. You gotta live up to it.
I can live up to it. I said about 25. So what's in the range of about? About 25 is 22 to 27, 8?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
22 minimum.
22 minimum. I'm just looking at my post-it notes on the door. What if we say about 20 more? Nobody's going to be less impressed if I say 20. I just don't want to accidentally say 25 and then put out 7 videos and be a liar.
It would not surprise me at all with you if full text search turns into a 12 video module.
I think full text search is going to be at least 12, but yeah, we'll play it safe. Okay. All right. 20 more videos to come. We're launching in early access today, so the price is currently discounted. Good? There's more, but is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Since you're an early supporter, here's a coupon code for an additional discount. Coupon code launch day. Thank you for all your support along the way. Good? And the last line is, you can watch it here, which doesn't feel like a very strong or compelling CTA. What should we say? Besides, you can watch it or don't, I don't care. What should we say here at the bottom? You can watch it here.
So check out the first video here. It's not
Um,
that much more
it's
compelling.
not, let's see. Go check it out. Go. You can. Um,
Well, we do have a little copy to finish on the landing page, so I wonder
pick
if
up.
this could be two birds, one stone kind of deal.
What's the other bird that we're trying to kill with this stone?
Well, I didn't love the copy on the H1 on the pricing section.
Be
So
a
I don't know if
boss.
that could share some copy here or not, but
On the pricing section, what do you not like?
I think it says
Get the course now. That's good, Andrea. Thank you.
I mean, that's simple and straight to the point.
Yeah, I like that. Get the course now. It's like an imperative. Tells them what to do. Uh, I'm looking at the pricing. What do you not like?
I think it says start learning. I don't know what I'm not looking at the webpage right now.
Oh, start learning today. The H1 or the
Yeah,
H2.
like we need to work on that. So I'm just wondering if there can be a little crossover.
I mean, start learning today is fine. If it were yesterday, we could change it, but it's today. Get the what did Andrea say? Get the course now at no colon. Who's come on? Get the course now at highperformancesequelite.com. Talk soon. Yeah, we'll talk soon. That's fine. The price is way too high.
I gotta run to drop the little one off at summer camp.
Nice.
In for 10 minutes, so I'll be right back.
Yeah, no worries. All right, see ya.
All right,
bye. Okay, good guy, Steve. We'll have a PPP discount. So if you're in a different country, don't worry about it. Just send us an email. Close that P tag. Oh, which one? Which one did I not close? That one's closed. 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 I think they're all closed. Yeah, we'll have PPP. You just gotta send us an email. I'll add that to. Let's see. Swapped Terso for a PNG. By the way, thanks Terso. Y'all make sure that you give Terso a shout out for sponsoring this for us. That was how we were able to spend so long making zero money because Terso was there to help. What was I gonna do? Watch.view. No, that's probably index.view, and it's probably where should I put it? Need more seats? I'm gonna copy that. That's great. Need more seats, email us. Need more. So the trick is you just copy whatever Steve does. Access for, where's new? So can I just I don't know what that is. I bet that's a check mark. I don't actually want a check mark there. Need more seats. What do I say? Need PPP? Oh, hey, Glauber. Guys, Glauber's the CEO of Terso. Glauber's the way that I've been able to afford food for the past couple months. So thanks, Glauber. Email us. Yeah, that's also. God, what? This JavaScript, these brackets are wide open. I don't know what these JavaScript people do. Sorry, Steve, if you're watching. Typo in medium. Hey! That's what that underline means. Okay, so that's not running. That's nothing. npm run dev. Just got to make sure that we add this. Oh, Glauber. You're just supposed to hang out on the internet all day. What are you doing going to meetings and stuff? Need PPP. It's kind of unceremonious down there. I can. What's PPP? Yeah, exactly. Paycheck Protection Program. That's the thing where the government gives you a whole bunch of money and it's like a loan, but then you don't ever have to give it back, right? Yeah, let's see. Oh, that's good. Just question, email us. That's great. Oh, goodness. You know what I should actually do? This is obvious. Hello, guys. This is what happens when you stay up till 3. There's a whole stupid section right here. Can I get an invoice? Can I get an invoice? Yeah. This is so much better. Y'all gotta not let me do silly things. Can I get an invoice? Can I get an invoice? Yes. Do you offer hello from Portugal. Do you offer educational? Do you offer discounts? Sure. I don't have a single Diet Coke in this apartment, unfortunately. Okay. Do you offer discounts? Let's see. If you are a student or what do you say? Like, if you're a student or live in a place, need something stronger than Diet Coke. I had this, but this is now gone. I want to say like live in a place where the dollar doesn't go as far, but is that too folksy? If you are a student or need a purchasing power, your currency doesn't dollar real good. That's how I feel. I feel like that's kind of what I'm saying, but that's why I didn't go with it because it sounded a little non-U.S. citizen. Yeah, but Canadians, yeah, live outside. If you're a student or need a purchasing power parity discount, just shoot us an email. Oh man, Valentine, this is great. See, this is really good. Oh, this is really good. Sure. So copied straight from chat. If you live in a country, don't hesitate to. I'm gonna say. That's exactly what I'm gonna say. Don't hesitate to email us. If you live in a country where the USD price is too high, or if you are a student, don't hesitate to email us. Mail to hello. This feels good. This feels good. And then did I get rid of that? I did get rid of that. Okay. I need to commit and push that. Whenever I switch over, I'm just nervous. I'm going to switch to something that's like, here are all your API keys. So I'm just going to write PPP, commit to main. And push. And by the power of the internet, that will be live in a few moments. Okay. What else do we have to do? Oops, the second. What is wrong with that? That looks great. Oh, what could ever be wrong with that? Okay. You guys, what am I gonna do? Spans with. All right, good catch. Let's commit and push that one more time. We'll just do some ASDF for the. Yep. Okay, good catch. What else do you see? This should work. Good job, Steve. Also, if you want to spend $3,000 on this course, you can just, you can buy a bunch of seats and never use them. That's fine with me. You're just like, hey, this is a great course. Here's $3,000. That's fine. Hey, whoa, too big. Freaking me out. Quit looking at me like that. Goodness. I'm trying to work here. This is a bunch of lorem ipsum. I need to adjust this. Do you have a share you've just purchased? That's a good idea. No, I don't think I do. We'll just start with that. Yeah, no way there's 16,000 people here. Maybe 16,000 people like looked at it for 1 second. What am I looking for? I'm looking for the lorem ipsum. Not that one. There's apparently more. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the bio from my site. I think this is the last thing we have to do. I think this is the last lorem ipsum. Why is it so big? I feel like it's looking through my soul. I don't like that one bit. Okay, is there any other lorem ipsum? This is good. Look at that, Steve. Steve did all of this. There we go. There we go. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. It's looking good. Okay. I think if I can just write my own bio, all of this needs, we need to make it, we need to add summaries and stuff, but yeah, look, 80. That's 15. I'm definitely gonna, yeah, let's write his bio. I like that. Good job, chat. Meet your instructor. My name is Aaron Francis. That's a good start. That's a great start. Nobody cares about Try Hard Studios. I'm a software developer, database. We gotta throw database educator in there first because this is a database course after all. Okay, I'm on Twitter all the time. That's true, but not quite very relevant at this point. I'm a CPA. I am a CPA, also not super relevant to this audience. I wish there was a way. Software developer, database educator, and content creator. I do have 2 sets of twins, but again, I don't think that's relevant right now. Meet your instructor. Okay, let's see. What do I want to say? Ooh, man. You watched my course on accounting? What? That's crazy. Guys, you want to see something? I know we should be launching this, but you want to see something? And I need to fix it because you can just currently watch it for free. And look at these Vimeo thumbnails they changed on me. By the way, who is this person? Who is that? Never seen that man in my life. Sorry to this man. Yeah, this is the first course I ever did. Look at all of that. This is a good site. Debits and credits. I don't think that one's free. Actually, they're all free right now. What am I saying? We have finally arrived. Look at this. This is the whole thing. Means right on the left side, and I put A- on the right side. This is the T account for cash. If you haven't watched that video yet, you should probably go back and watch it. Side. He needs a little more. He needs a little more energy. You see that? He's feeling a little tired in these videos. Okay. Before 2 sets of twins, yeah, back when I had a lot more hair and a lot more youth. What do I love? I love resting, but that's not really relevant right now. Okay. My name is Aaron Francis. I'm a software developer, database educator, and content creator. I love teaching. Yeah, that's true. What do I even want to say? I don't really want to say anything. I've created several courses. I mean, is that interesting? I do love Laravel. Also a dad. I'll add that up here. Just give it a little bit of space. More importantly, though, I'm a dad to two. It's always hysterical when you write the parentheses exclamation point. It's just a great touch. Dad to 2 sets of twins. And then you can put another exclamation at the end. I love tacos. Okay, how's this look? Yep. Oh, come on, come on, come on. More importantly, I'm dad to 2 sets of twins. Did I say anything on, here's something, screencasting.com. Oh, it's a good site. It's a good site. See, this feels so braggy, but I think it worked. That's a good site. This is what we're going to do next, by the way. That's our next, Steve and I, we're going to work on that next. Yeah, this is fine. We just got to write it, because once I write it, I can send the email and I can start making money for once in my life. So we got to just finish this. This is standing between me and money. He's also the co-founder of Builds Components for a family man with a passion for building both in digital and domestic spheres. The components for web apps, that was fun. Do you design website? No, somebody else designs websites. Okay, we got to write this because it is, it's only 10:11. I was planning on launching in 40 minutes, but I think we can push that up a little bit. Okay. I've created, I love teaching, and that's true though. I love teaching and have created several, I love teaching. Oh goodness, guys, why is this so hard? Will somebody write this through me? Write this for me? I make something people want. I created this course because, here we go. I love databases, truly, and have found the database education and have never found the, you forgot Laravel. That's okay. It's not relevant to these people. I love databases and never found and want more people to. I created this course because I love databases and want more people to use SQLite first. Forgot Laravel. Do I like empowering people to build their dreams? Yeah, I do. I do like that. You know what? Is this bad? Is this bad? Don't tell anybody. Do I have a bio on here? Sad. I've been scrubbed from the history books. See ya. I want to. Nobody's gonna read this. Boy, I've got real 3 a.m. brain right now. And what more? I don't even know what to say. Yeah, it's on YouTube. I like SQLite and I cannot lie. Yep. How about we do this? Why don't we start with giving a little dramatic standoff here. My name is Aaron Francis. I'm a software developer. I created this course because I love databases and want more software developers to feel empowered. That's good. I feel like that's fine. That's totally fine. And then we can say, if you want to get in touch, you can always find me on Twitter. I am the resistance here. There's no way I'm going to call this thing X. https twitter.com/AaronDFrancis. What? Steve is not going to like this, but class equals underline. Or shoot us an email. You can always find me on Twitter or shoot us an email at hello@highperformanceSQLite. Boy, that's a mouthful, isn't it? All right, I think we're getting close. href equals mail to. Good enough. Exactly 4 people are going to read that, so that's fine. Looks off. Okay. I think that might be it. Let's just blur this RQ just to make sure. And we'll come down here. All right, I think this is it. So I think when this is done, I think you might have joined at the exact. Well, what are you saying? I don't understand what you're saying. Open, close, open, close. Okay, I think this is ready. Oh, guys, why do I feel so nervous? Oh, goodness. Okay, this is highperformancesqlite.com. Ooh, man. Guys. Okay. I feel very nervous. I'm jittery. Great. Yep. You know what's cool? If we look at this and we click on the network and we look again, look at that. Look at that sweet server-side rendering. Thanks, Inertia. Good job, Inertia. All right. Let us just ensure. What's a silly face? Who is that? Let's just ensure log in or sign up. Hopefully at this point we're starting to get our heads. Okay. Hope always there's no overhead, there's no fear that it could go down, which is pretty important. important when you're dealing with something out on the All right, I think we're good. Oh, you turkeys. All right, Steve is texting me that the OG image is not found. Let's just real quick. That might be because we're in maintenance mode. OG dot. Why? Of things that don't matter, this has got to be up there. Oh goodness, it's because it's in the images subdirectory. That's why. Images, OG. Actually, OGs do kind of matter for launch. Let's try that. He says, wait, could be the wrong link. Yeah, it is the wrong link. Fixing. I wonder if he's watching this. Steve, are you watching this? Okay, so I think this is it. Wow, I feel very nervous. I feel very nervous. Okay, so that's going to deploy. That's deploying. That's deploying. Save changes on the email. Oh, Steve-O, I think we're ready. I'm going to call Steve. I think we're ready to flip it live.
Howdy.
Steve, you're live on the air.
All right.
I think we're ready. Are we ready?
I mean, I guess.
Bastion of confidence. Exactly what I need.
I mean, yeah. Hoping all the videos are edited. There's probably an error or two in the videos, but we'll get it sorted out.
Yeah, I mean, at this point, it's way too late. Somebody will email us if there's an error.
And I mean, editing error.
Yeah. Oh, I am 100% sure that I've committed some sort of factual error to video, and I will hear about it. But you know, that actually keeps me awake at night, thinking, "Oh shoot, did I say something wrong in that video?" But life is short.
And then that thing that you said wrong causes some sort of huge problem.
Exactly. It takes down some Fortune 500 company because I was like, "Oh, it doesn't matter what data type you choose," and then they choose the wrong one, and yeah. Oh yeah.
The thing is, I mean, there's probably, I guess there's Fortune 500 companies using SQLite, but
yeah.
So
I should put a disclaimer on here that's like, if I'm wrong, my bad.
did we get this passed through legal or?
We are legal. You're talking. You're both legal and talking to legal at this very moment.
Then I'm good with it.
I'm gonna send you a preview email. Steve, I'll make sure that Steve at tryhard. This is fine. Everybody knows this one. Steve at tryhardstudios.com. Okay, check that. I'm just gonna look over the landing page one more time. You know what I don't like is our top left logo links to the watch page and not the home page, but that doesn't matter. Okay.
Oh, when you're on the watch page?
Yeah.
We can, all we have to do is just delete that href, and the default one is just the home page.
Okay. High performance SQL. God, I know that it's ready. I just don't want to launch it because I'm terrified.
I'm proofing the email real quick.
You're proofing the email. I'm looking at the home page. Oh.
From highperformanceSQLite.com, and the email is not linked. The first instance of it.
That is fine. Gmail will link that for most people, but otherwise there's a link below.
Interesting. Gmail. I'm in Gmail and it did not, but anyway.
Yeah, okay, well, then I'm 100% wrong, and I'll just make it a link. Thanks for calling me out. That's good. I appreciate that. Okay.
It could be because of the capitalizations in the email.
All right. I linked it. highperformanceSQLite.com. All right. I don't think there's anything else to change.
The coupon code is correct.
Good. Okay.
Right? I mean, I'm just asking you, actually.
Oh, you're just asking if it's correct. Yeah. Yeah, the coupon code is correct. I'll double check Lemon Squeezy, but I'm going to blur everybody so I don't give away the farm here. Launch day. Yeah. Okay. Oh. I think Drizzle has... This is not to you, Steve. I think Drizzle has SQLite. I don't understand... Access to 4 new modules coming soon.
Well, let's just do it. We'll be on standby for if and when things break.
Okay, so what I'm going to do first is not send this email. I am... Oh, we got to get the launch tweet ready too. All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it live. We're just going to say, let's do it. Okay. Does that sound right?
When you say turn it, you mean the page?
Yeah.
The page.
Yep. I'm going to...
I like that.
I'm going to take the site live right now. Ooh! Ah! I'm going to take the site live. Actually, I got to go to the bathroom. Should I do that first?
Oh, yeah, build some suspense.
Yeah, I got to go. I'm sorry, y'all. I got to go pee. I'm so sorry.
I'm going to hang up for that.
Yeah. I want to hang up on you for sure. Let me figure out how to mute on Twitch. Hang on. All right, we'll talk in a second.
All right, bye.
All right, guys, can you hear me? I'm going to turn my volume all the way down. Can you hear me? Okay, can you hear me again? Guys, you know it's bad when all we have left is the Kirkland signature lime. That's not what I want. All right, let's call Steve and let's get this freaking thing launched. Hey, did I just hear my voice in the background?
Yeah, let me mute this. Boy, the delay is real.
All right, so here's the order of operations. I'm about to make this thing go live, and then somebody, hopefully, that's watching will purchase and will confirm that at least that much worked.
Well, I think somehow we had a purchase go through.
Wait, we've already had a purchase go through?
Yeah, I don't know how it happened.
From like a real person?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see.
Son of a gun.
Yeah, I don't know.
Huh.
Is it Justin?
Justin Andrew Shillman.
Yeah.
We've already made a sale.
Yeah, he must have been there when I disclosed the private link.
Yeah, when you leaked it on stream. Hey, cool. We're rich. We made some money. It's not enough to support 2 people full time, but we made some money. All right, I'm doing it.
All right.
Take it live. Then I'm going to tweet. And then I'm going to start the emails. And then we just sit back and count our money, I hope. Here we go. Ah! Okay. Let's check it. Is it working? I see it. Oh!
Yeah, it looks great.
We're live. We're live.
Use the 1080 version on the tweet.
Use the 1080 version on the tweet.
On the video. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right, here we go. I'm gonna look.
Off Houston.
Yeah. All right, let's go find that video. Let's find this video. I assume it's HPS launch video 1080. That's to you, Steve.
Yes.
Ah, people are buying.
Yeah, I'm getting buzzes on the phone.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Pretty crazy.
Yes, this is great. Look at that. Jason, Steven, Andrea, John, Joseph, Justin. Yes, hell yeah. Come on. Hey. Woo! It worked. It worked. It worked. People are saying it worked. Oh, it's happening. Look at this.
Heck yeah. Okay, tweet.
Yeah. Tweet. We gotta make more money. We should tweet it. What was I doing? Oh, I downloaded a video. Now I need to go to Twitter. And I need to go to boy, where do I need to go? I think it's ads. And then I think it's creatives. And then I think it's media. Hope I haven't uploaded anything funny here. No, it's just a bunch of memes. Upload media. Oh man. Will you watch Fernand and make sure we don't get any like support emails or anything? Okay, so we're about to do the tweet launch video. So I want to upload that in 1080p. Rarely needed my, yeah. Okay. Launch day is the discount code. Purchase. You guys are the best. I can right click to control the speed of the videos. Still, if it were on the player, it would be great. Thank you, Josh.
You just hit the three dots on the...
Receipt went to junk mail. Welcome came to inbox. Hey, that's great. It's fine with me. As long as my emails go to your inbox. John, I can give you a partial refund if you need it. Okay. All right, so now we compose a tweet from here. And we say, ooh, what do we say? We say emoji, ta-da. Should I start the email sending? I'm going to start the email sending. I need to get on that.
Yeah.
Leave editor. High Performance SQLite is live. The SQLite course is live. Yep. Click here to opt out. Yep. Review. To 5,000. The set a password email link didn't work for me. Hey, Andrea, can you paste in... No. Can you DM me on Twitter what the link was for you? Also says Laravel at the top of the welcome email. Oops, probably. Oh, I need to take the guest middleware off of the password route. That makes sense to me. Okay, run safety checks. Set password, okay. Yeah, don't nobody set your password, it doesn't work. And Andrea, if you could DM me the link that it sent you. Start sending in batches now. All right, we're sending in batches. Okay, it might be that Jason is 100% correct. Would be the second time ever that has happened. I'm just kidding, Jason. You've been right at least 3 times. So if we're saying that we need to take the middleware off of... We need to take the guest middleware, because I force log them in. I force log them in when they buy and they're anon. I create an account and then I force log them in. So I need to go to Bootstrap app, common, I think it is in common auth. Forgot password, reset password with token. That, Jason, begs coming through. So it was not working because you're a guest, and both receipt and email. Okay, move, if you get an email, ooh, here's a good idea. If you get an email from us and it goes to junk, please move it into the right one and tell Gmail, no, these are the good guys. Hey, Jason, does this look right now? I moved it outside the guest. Yeah, Vikram, it's in the FAQs. If you send us an email, we can set up a purchasing power parity discount for you. Jason, does that look right? Is that better, Jason? Jason, I need the stream to catch up. Does the store one also need to be outside? Yes, probably. Thank you all for fighting the spam battles. For AAA mobile games, yeah, absolutely. Update app name. Yes, good. Thank you. Okay. Push. That's pushed. Then I need to come back and not show the DMs. Okay, first I'm going to update the email. I'm going to update the app env. It should have been programmatically setting it because it's like a multi-tenancy thing. But hey, who's got the time? God, you guys are the best. This is awesome. This is like the last 2 somewhat painful months of my life, and now it's working. High performance SQLite. Okay. Update. And redeploy. Okay. So I've just updated and redeployed. So reset password. Oh, shoot. Got too excited. Knocked everything over. Reset password works now. Thank you, Jason. So y'all can click that link again and it should be fine. Okay. Neither set of my twins is identical. In fact, they're so fraternal that both sets are boy-girl. So everybody's got a brother, everybody's got a sister, everybody's got a twin, everybody's got an opposite. It's great. All right. This is all I have for the tweet so far. Ta-da. Ta-da! So here's what we can do. We can come down here and say, high performance SQLite is live. The definitive, gosh, I should have used definitive somewhere. The definitive SQLite course is now available. Let's check to see. Still building the audience. This is going to take a while, so hopefully that will get people to come in over time. The definitive SQLite course is now available. How would I describe? I would always describe it as education, science and education. So much cooler. Call to action link is highperformancesqlite.com. Visit site, watch now. That's even better. Yeah, sure. I don't care if you download that video. Go for it. Oh, thank you, Andrea, for confirming. Algo Basket, this is Laravel. Jason, definitely send me the invoice. Convince your boss to buy. That's awesome. Impress your boss and your kids. No, you can email us. I mean, if you're a student, if you're like in college, I can give you like 50% off. It's totally fine. But if you try to fool me, I'll double the price. Oh, Steve, I forgot you were still there. Oh, I'm glad you liked that one. I forgot you were.
How does that work with lemon squeeze?
Yeah, give him an anti-coupon. So Josh, the flow is you can either this is partially why it's confusing. You can either sign up and just watch videos without paying, or you can pay first and then we'll use that email to create your account from Lemon Squeezy and it auto logs you in, but it does send you an email that's like, hey, we auto created an account for you. You need to set your own password. So you might be logged in but not know your password, and that's where that link would come in handy. Okay, this is all I have. Writing, definitely my strong suit. All I have is a ta-da emoji. Just purchase for the team. Yes. Make sure that you got an email. Jose Duarte. You should have gotten an email with a coupon code. This is kind of interesting. The way that we do the team stuff is I've created a bunch of limited use coupon codes in Lemon Squeezy via API, so I'm continually creating them. And then when somebody buys a team account, I just send them the coupon code, and then they can do whatever they want with it. So like if they buy a account that, has 10 seats on it, they get a coupon code that just can be used 10 times. I don't care what you do with it. I'm not managing your team. You're in charge. All right. Enough blabbering. Actually, enough blabbering. Let's see if we've made any money. Let's do that first. We have. It's working. Somebody bought a team of 3. That's awesome. That must have been Jose. Man, this is great. It feels like the Lemon Squeezy dashboard is behind, which is a good spot to be in because it's saying 27 total orders, but at the bottom I see 64. So it's like, what's the deal there? Yes, if you buy a team license, you can just tweet out the code and people use it until it's gone. So yeah, it's a good way to gift. High performance SQLite is now live. HTML bullet point top towel. Okay. Steve, somebody says videos are not running in my iPhone Safari. Will you check it in?
I mean, I've been checking it all morning. It's working great for me.
Okay. User KNTL. Where in the world abouts are you? High performance SQLite is now live. The course covered this. People might not know what it is. This video course covers everything you need to know about SQLite. KNTL is in Istanbul and it's not loading there, so I don't really know what to do about that.
Yeah.
Like, I literally don't even know where to start on fixing that.
I mean, yeah, I have to imagine Cloudflare is.
Yeah, you would think Cloudflare can handle that. KNTL, will you try it from your desktop and we can determine if it's like a device or like a location thing? It's currently the welcome email. Yeah, I think I updated the Laravel just in like the past 15 minutes, so I think it should be okay now. But if it's not, free ads for Laravel. It's currently 65 videos across 6 modules with at least 20 more to come. Come on, Aaron, use your head. We're launching in early access today. The intro video works from Poland on iPhone on Safari. Nice. That's good. We're launching in early access today. So the price will... What did I say in the email? I feel like we finally nailed that in the email. We did nail that in the email. We're launching in early access today, so the price is currently... I don't think we need these bullet points. High performance SQLite is now live. This video course covers everything you need to know about SQLite. It's, with an apostrophe, it is. It's currently 65 videos across 6 modules with at least 20 more to come. Hey, Steve is in here. Thank you, Mitchell. Okay, Jaga says, I bought with Apple Pay and then registered with the same email, but it remains free. 20 more videos to come. That's good. Hey, Jaga on YouTube, can you send us an email with that and we'll get it sorted out? Do you think SQLite is ready for production? I sure do. Using Terso, yeah. Yeah. Watch this. Ta-da! Not running on Mac Safari either. From Istanbul. That's interesting.
Yeah, I'm gonna look up Cloudflare R2 Istanbul.
I think I'll. Mm, Videos in Safari on iOS work in Germany. Great. The course is completely vanilla SQLite. I mentioned Terso a few times as being like an easy way to do this hard thing, but beyond that, it's just like how to actually use SQLite. That being said, you should use it on Terso, in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. Guys, my blood sugar's all high. Oh man, just too much going on. Signal loss. Did y'all know I have type 1 diabetes? This video course covers everything you need to know about SQLite. It's currently 65 videos across 6 modules with at least 20 more videos. I get nervous when I hit 0 on a tweet because I'm about 90% sure that there's going to be a bug that's like, yeah, 0. We'll just throw the show more banner on there. I just don't trust them over there anymore. And then I think I'll put the link and the launch day discount right below it. So is this ready? I like the full stops. Boom. There we go. Oh, thanks, Josh.
There's someone in Fernand saying they registered in the site. They can log in. It's still a free account, but and they purchased with Apple Pay.
Yeah, Steve, will you text me that person's email and I can go poke around in the database and see where their purchase went?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm about to tweet it. Can I read this to you, Steve? Ta-da emoji. High performance SQLite is live! Exclamation. This video course covers everything you need to know about SQLite. Period. It's 65 videos across 6 modules, comma, with at least 20 more videos to come, period. We're launching in early access today, comma, so the price is currently discounted, exclamation. Y'all go get it, exclamation. Then in the media, so the video is there. The title of the video is High Performance SQLite is live. The description is the definitive SQLite course is now available, and the call to action is watch now, and it links to highperformancesqlite.com, and the link works. Does that seem right?
Looks great.
Okay, post. I think Jason might have just saved the day again. I bet Apple Pay does use anonymous emails. I am going to check.
Damn it, Apple and all their privacy.
I know. Who's that helping? Not me. Not right now. Yeah, we've got a few orders in here.
Man, the retweets are just going off.
Are they?
9 retweets. Yeah.
Will you I don't see Jaga Santagostino. I don't see his name in here at all.
Okay.
So he bought he bought with Apple Pay. Man, this is great. I see a bunch of friends in here. This is so cool.
Let's see. So are you looking in the database?
I'm looking in the database for his order from Lemon Squeezy.
Let's see. Here's his order.
Will you, I think it's fine. Will you read out the order number to me?
Sure. 892.
Yep.
30.
Yep.
35.
35. Well, that would be because his order is not in our database somehow. Okay. We will get that order into the database. Okay, let's just check Twitter. Let's just check Twitter real fast. Let's see what the people are saying. See, what are these numbers? 79,000 views on Twitter? That makes no sense.
Yeah. Those are just made up at this point.
Why was it posted through ads and not... This is why it was posted through ads. Little secret they don't want to tell you is if... I need to add the link in a second tweet. This is how you get this video thing. So you can get extra text in here. You can get an extra CTA without getting penalized for putting a link up here. So it's just, if you have a video, definitely do it this way. Okay. In case you missed the URL in the video above, it's live at highperformanceSQLite.com. You can use code launchday. I think that's right. Is that right? I've only looked at this launch code like 50,000 times. Launch day, that's right. You can use code launch day for an additional discount. In case you missed the URL in the video above, it's live at, yep, you can use code launch day, yep.
I see it says addition discount.
It does say an addition discount. You know what? I think I want to save the launch day code for the people that are watching or the people that are on the email list. Otherwise, what's the point of being on the email list? How do you feel about that, Steve-O?
I was thinking the same thing.
Okay. In case you missed the URL in the video above, it's live at highperformancesqlite.com. Josh, I will buy you $20 worth of barbecue when you come to Laracon. For the stream people, you can just use code launch day. That's you're here. Oh wow, look at this. This is great. Feels good, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is a good clip. Not for today, not to retweet today, but that's a good clip. So what else do we need to do? We need to fix that guy's